No, I'm scared. Put on my picture first.
That's what I'm talking about.
What's going on, guys? Before we jump into today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Last Fit Auto Lighting. I have a 10% off discount code and a link to anything on their website in the description below. So we just installed the H111 headlight bulbs into the Tahoe. We also have the LED reverse lights and the LED license plate lights. They're brighter than anything I've seen before, and they have great quality lighting. If you need anything, LED lighting, and they also do interior lighting as well. If you need anything, make sure to hit the link in the description below. Use the discount code THATWIDE.bowtie at checkout and get 10% off. So you guys are the best. Let's jump into the video. First of all, let's take a look at some of the awesome stuff that's hanging out in the painting department over here at Magnum Collision. First of all, we got a Viper. That's pretty freaking awesome. You don't get to see Vipers too much. There's a Tesla over here. There's some kind of old Mobile 1944. I don't know if I'm allowed to show that. Aston Martin sitting over here. I don't know if you guys have seen that in my videos before, but we got Aston Martin sitting over here, V12. That's pretty cool, freshly painted. But what we've been talking about all morning is the Lamborghini. So let's take a second. I'm gonna sit the camera down and explain what we're doing today. So here's the deal. So you guys know Lewis, that's been on my channel. Me and Lewis have partnered up. Lewis wants to start a business, a company, and one of the main things that this company is gonna do is wrap vehicles. So what me and him are doing, we've partnered up together, you know, to get this business going and started for him. What I'm gonna be doing for him mainly is handling social media and also helping him do some of the work. So that's what puts us here today. So one of his first jobs for this is we have to take the wrap off of this Lambo. Somebody is buying this and we need to make sure that there is no damage underneath the wrap. So that means the wrap needs to come off. So that's our job for today. I don't know if we're gonna get all of it done today, but that's what we're gonna be working on. I don't even know. Lewis, what kind of Lamborghini is this? I don't even know what kind of Lamborghini this is, but hey, what kind of Lamborghini is this? Okay. Oh, nice. I didn't even know what kind of Lamborghini this was. Lamborghini Aventador sitting behind me. The original color is like a silver grayish kind of color, which is pretty cool. The previous owner had wrapped it yellow. Obviously, you guys can tell that. Lewis had started getting some of it off previously one night, and it just kind of sit here, or it kind of sat there after that because they're painting the calipers orange on it. So like I said, the new buyer wants to make sure that there's no damage underneath the wrap, so we get the job of taking the wrap off, which is insane. Just being able to film and be next to a vehicle like this, let alone touch it and work on it, is something that I never would have imagined doing. And I want a huge shout out to Lewis for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this business with him and help him with this kind of stuff. So that's what we got going on today. Josh is finishing up washing his truck and we're gonna get started on this. Lamborghini Aventador. Man, for those of you back at home in Tallahassee, that's what we got going on. Stay tuned. Fast forward a little bit, we have gotten, I would say, about 70% of the wrap off of this Lamborghini, and now the last part of it is door jambs, the doors, and then the front and back bumper that we can't get off without having to take some of the pieces off the vehicles. So that's what me and Lewis are diving into today. Again, huge shout out to Lewis for giving us the opportunity to come film and work on this all together. That's crazy, still blows my mind. But that's what we're diving into today. We're filming a lot of different videos today while filming this one, so expect some great content coming after this video. Tahoe content, truck content, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
Off a bumper.
Say hi. Hello. We've got a little piece on the back, this side door to do, and a little bit of the bumper up front to do, and we'll be all finished up. Hold on.
Wait.
Show me wait. If we're gonna do this, we gotta do it the right way.
I don't wash my hands either. All right.
It's gonna get demonetized.
Is that the nipple right there?
Right at there.
Dude, these are such powerful clamps.
No,
Put them on my first. They're not there.
Hospital, you're on your own.
Dude, this is gonna like.
Oh, that's not. That's not too bad. Okay, all right. Okay, let's not.
Okay, all right.
Bam, just like that. Took us about 3 or 4 hours to do. We did have to take off some of the moldings, had to take that window out, had to take off some stuff from the back and some of the pieces from the front, but you guys saw all of that. I think the color change is absolutely amazing. Don't get me wrong, that yellow color that this Lamborghini was really nice, but this kind of a dark satin gray or granite or whatever it is looks phenomenal. And it's gonna have the orange calipers once they get this finished up, and then the big fat tires on the back will come back on, and I think it looks really good. Again, huge shout out to Lewis for giving me the opportunity to come and all of us to come help him. I think this turned out really good. I can't wait to see what color the owner wants to go back with. Hopefully he kind of leaves it like this. It looks amazing. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. One of the first times I've ever gotten to work on a car like this, which is completely insane. It still blows my mind. I'm gonna have so much more content like this as me and Lewis get this operation, this company going that we've started. If you guys need anything, hit us up. Color matching, paint protection, full color changes, we do all of it. So make sure you guys hit the link in the description. Check out the Instagram for L&M Wraps ATL. We are based out of Atlanta, so make sure you guys hit us up if you're in this area. If you need anything, let us know, and we'll try and do everything that we can. We've got a lot of stuff that we plan on starting, a lot of stuff that we plan on doing, and just trying to make the best out of it, and we're super excited to be able to help you guys out. Stay tuned. I've got a lot of stuff coming for the truck, a lot of stuff coming for the Tahoe. Big truck meet coming in a couple weeks. I got so much going on. Again, huge shout out to Lewis for allowing me to come help him, and everybody else that was here was a huge help. Again, huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Last Fit Auto Lighting. If you need anything, hit the link in the description below. Check them out, 10% off on anything on the website. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I love making these videos for you guys, and I love you guys so much for clicking on them. So much more on the way. Like I said, I will see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom _ F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Is it really that wide?
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.
Oh, I want to get in the Lamborghini. Oh. Oh. Never been in a Lamborghini before, Rob.